I'm so scared for the waterfall.
What's up, guys? It's Jesse from SmellyBellyTV. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We are hanging out at the pool today. We got like almost the whole crew. It's like a half crew. We got Justin. We got Dylan. He hung out with us in the last vlog. We got JJ. You guys know JJ. And we got Ada Bear. And we're eating some pizza. You guys want a bite of that pizza? Oh yeah, I love pepperonis. Ada, show me the biggest bite that you can take. The biggest, bigger. Get it all in there. Oh, you got grease all over your face. Kayla, come on, I want to see your biggest bite. What you got?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I think Jayla just broke the world record for the biggest bite ever. All right, now for real, take the biggest bite ever. Here, you need a new slice. Ready?
No.
Oh, guys, see, the greasier the pizza, the better. Would you guys agree with that? The greasier,
Ready?
no?
Ready?
No?
I do.
You agree? Look who we have over here, guys. We have the cutest little babies. You guys have seen Leo before, he's chilling. And we got baby Rora. Why are you shaking? You're not even cold, come on.
This is Leo's first time having an entire slice of pizza, and he's just staring at it like, what do I do with this thing?
What do I do with all that pizza?
Have a bite.
All right, Rory.
You can take a bite.
I made everybody take a big bite. I want to see your big bite. Can I see your big bite? Yeah. Oh, whoa. I think it's just so cute how these two like will snuggle up together and be like little buddies, little partners in crime. Oh, Rory, you lost your plate?
I can get you another plate.
Where'd it go? All right, hold on. The Bellions will help you find one. Let's go, Bellions. Oh my gosh, I think a plate is right here. It is right here. Let's grab it. I can't grab it. Bellions, you gotta grab it. All right, you got it. Okay, all right, Bellions gave you a plate. Are you happy now? Good. I really want to get into the pool today. However, it is really cold, believe it or not. This pool is not heated here. And even though it's about 77 to 80 degrees outside right now, it still feels really cold when you get in that pool. You're gonna get in, right?
No,
Yes, you are.
not today. I just did my her.
No, you're getting in.
No.
I don't care
No.
that you did your her.
I'm not going in
yes,
today.
you are.
Not today.
Okay.
Today ain't the day.
All right, well then you have to let the Bellions.
I'll push you in.
The Bellions get to boink you at least.
Okay.
Boink, boink, boink.
Thanks, Bellions.
One of my favorite things to do is definitely hanging out with the neighbors and all of our friends, just being around friends all the time. I think it's fun. We all hang out in a big group. We eat pizza. We don't eat anything else. We just eat pizza. We're just surviving off of pizza these days. That's probably not a good idea, but that's what we're doing. What?
Oh, you hand me my icy.
Ask the Bellions to do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing it. Ask the Bellions.
Billions, I got my ice cream.
Well, maybe if you said please.
Billions, get Jayla's icy, please.
Justin, you're supposed to let the Bellions do it. All right, there you go.
She's there for the second reach.
Oh, come on, Bellions, get it to her. All right, what do you say?
Good job.
What do you say?
Thank you. Good job.
All right, Bellions, here's the deal. You guys are gonna get to steal some pizza from Tara. Are you ready to do this? Hit your thumbs up if you're ready to steal pizza from Tara. They got it! Woo! Bellions, Tara's really sad that you would steal her pizza. All right, it was my fault. I technically stole it, but Tara's really sad. So give it back to her.
Oh!
No.
I got him back, guys. You want to see his face?
Is it messy?
You need some laughs.
That's good.
Okay, apparently one pizza was not enough for these kids, so we're gonna go get more. But Ada is gonna take you guys down on the lazy river. Could get crazy. I'm leaving her in charge of the camera. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Ada, you're in charge of getting some good shots. You better get some good ones.
Ready to go underwater?
I'm so scared for the waterfall. Oh, I see it. Ready to go under
it? All the kids left and they went over to the lily pads. All right, go across the lily pads, Justin. Justin, you failed me. You guys know Gavin. He's about to cross the lily pads. He's a lily pad master. Give the Bellions a high five. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Ada Bear, go. That was hardcore. That looked like that hurt bad. There's an intense toddler race going on right now between Rory and Leo. Who is gonna win? It looks like Leo is taking a shortcut of some sort, and Rory is confused as to where we are going. Rory, we're over that way. Looks like Rory is the winner this time. You're both winners to me. You guys both won. Give each other high fives. Dylan is up next. Let me see your moves, bro. Look at him go. High five the Bellions. The last, but certainly not least, it's just JJ. Call security. Call security on this girl right now. I'm just kidding. I love you.
Lily pad.
Okay, so Ada Bear is hurt. She got hurt on the lily pads. Are you gonna be okay? Justin's giving you a big hug. It's gonna be okay. Where does it hurt?
She's all right.
Right here?
She's gonna be okay.
RJ thinks he's like a big time savage. RJ, do you forgive me?
No, I don't. You almost got me in trouble.
Really? I did not. RJ, come on, please forgive me.
No.
Forgive me.
I'll forgive you.
Forgive me.
I'll forgive you. You're
All right,
forgiven.
I'm forgiven. Okay, all right. We'll put this back then. We are here to do the world's largest cannonball. RJ is right here. Oh, let's smack him in the face with the camera. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Did that hurt? Are you gonna live? Are you gonna survive?
I'll be good.
That was close to the world's largest cannonball, but of course, Justin and RJ got to push each other in. I mean, why wouldn't they, right? I mean, it's all good. The park's closed. The lifeguards have blown the whistle. The park is closed.
Rory, do you really need more pizza?
Yeah.
You need more?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Watch this.
Okay, hold on. What's your favorite type of pizza?
My favorite type is pizza cheesy.
Cheesy? Say, comment down below your favorite.
What's your favorite?
Okay, so the little bitties are playing Barbies. Is your Barbie a gymnast? Can she do the splits? Yes, she can. Yours can fly up in the air. Show us. Show the Bellions. Show them. Leo, can yours fly like a superhero? Oh, wow, superhero Barbies. That is amazing. Fun fact about Jesse, he is the most unflexible person I've ever met in my life. However, he is going to see if he can do the splits like Barbie. What do you guys think? Hit your thumbs up for Jesse. He's gonna give it all he's got. Is
all I
that a
got.
joke?
Nope.
That's all you have?
I'm really inflexible.
Oh my goodness.
I'm
that's
really not
terrible.
flexible.
Hashtag try harder next time, Jesse.
All right, Smelly Bellions, I want to introduce you to Leo and Gavin's mother. Her name is Joan. She's sitting right back there hanging out with us, and we all just wanted to say hi. We figured if you're gonna see her kid on Smelly Belly TV, you better see her as well. No, you're not, and you know what? You need to get out of here before we call the cops.
I'm sorry.
Security!
It wasn't my
Security!
fault.
Security!
It wasn't my fault.
Security! We got a stalker! Security! Just reminded me that she is also Lena's mother. I don't know how I forgot to mention that. Leo, Lena, and Gavin. We have a lot of friends on Smelly Belly TV because I guess we're just kind of friendly people. Security, she's back again. Security, security, come on, security. Get her out of here, security. She's back. She's back. Get her out of here.
In the bushes, okay?
You sleep in the bushes tonight, okay?
That's what I
Just because
said.
you have your own channel, it's just JJ, doesn't mean that you're better than everybody else.
Well, obviously I am.
Oh, well, I guess you are. I guess you are. Security, security, get her out of here. Of course, I'm just joking. Jayla, come back. Jayla, it was just a joke. Get out of the bushes. Get out of the bushes, Jayla. There could be snakes.
Guys, something weird has happened to Ada. She has some kind of fungus growing from the pool. I've been telling these kids, don't swim in this nasty pool. Like 100 people or more swim in this pool every day. She's paying the price. I don't even think you guys want to look at this. When something's really gross, you cover your eyes like this and then you look like this. Okay, do that. Do that right now. Everybody do it. Are you doing it? What happened? Ada, we're gonna have to go get your foot cut off.
She's faking it. It's just a wobble wobble.
No, it's not. Look at that. That's some weird thing.
It's a wobble wobble with water on my foot.
We're getting it cut off.
No, you're
It has
not.
to be cut off. There's no way you can survive this catastrophe.
I'm surviving it right now.
Trust me, the effects will set in very, very soon. Oh, they're setting in. Look at her face. They're setting in. They're setting in. Oh no. Oh, look at that. That looks so creepy. Oh.
I refuse to let my child have a fungus foot.
No zombie fungus for Ada.
No fungus foot. Give me this fungus foot.
Oh, saved. In the pool so all the other kids can get the fungus.
Security, somebody call security. We got RJ here. He's not supposed to be here. Get out of here, RJ. Look at how many people we have here right now. There's probably like, I don't know, too many people. We've got Justin, we've got Joan, we got Ada, we got Gavin, we got Dylan, we got RJ, we got Tara, we got Leo, we got Rory, we got Jayla. I'm sorry, I don't know your name. We got Colton.
Hey, it's late. It's time to go home. I had enough of this pool. Pool's closing.
Are we breaking the rules?
Yeah.
Do we need to leave now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to leave. Rory has all the stuff with her. It is time to go, guys. Spider-Man.
Go, girl.
How was it getting Rory in the car? Terrible. Fun?
No.
Terrible.
She did it herself though. She knows more than me. I couldn't do it.
Rory!
Foot all the way
We're
up.
home. Did you have a great day at the pool?
Yeah.
You did. Should we go check on the pups?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I'm so ugly. I'm a savage.
Okay. Diesel, how did you get left out? Don't mind all of the packing peanuts, guys. Hi, puppies. Hi, Franco. Hi, are you so happy? Hi, Benzo. Where are my puppies? Where's my Franco? Franco, come say hi to Bellions. Oh my goodness, guys. Look how excited. He literally just smashed the camera. Like, I almost thought he broke you guys. Benzo, Benzo. Enzo. Enzo. Enzo, go get him, Rory. Go get him. Go get him. There he is. He's such a sweetie. Hi, Enzo. Did you miss us? Oh, he's giving you guys kisses. He loved you guys so much. Oh, yes, he does. Are you becoming like Franco where you have to have a stick in the house? Franco, that was not nice. You stole Enzo's stick. No, drop it. Franco, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, no, you cannot steal the stick from Enzo. That is not nice. We have all had dinner, and now it is that time of the day to say our favorite parts of the day. Rory is getting exhausted. The pool has worn her out, so she goes first.
My favorite part of the day was going to the pool.
Yeah, what about the pool?
And swimming.
That was fun. Mine was getting home, and now I get to go lay down on my nice couch for the rest of the night.
My favorite part of the day was getting to jump into the pool with RJ. And by jumping in, I mean pushing him in.
My favorite part of the day was looking at this giant duck outside of our house.
Really?
Do you see the giant
He's
duck?
right there. What did we name him, by the way?
We have had recommendations for, I think it was, someone commented, Sir Ducky the first. We'll figure out who you are, most likely. It might take some time. We have a lot of comments to read through. Somebody
Justin is
said,
our official comment reader, by the way.
Yes.
So he's gonna help us.
Somebody had said Danny the duck. So there's a lot of comments that we gotta go through to officially name the duck.
My favorite part of the day was making the big cannonball.
Oh! What is that? There's something trying to attack us. Franco! Franco got it. Oh my gosh, Franco is a beast. Oh, he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. It's a big moth. Look at it.
Favorite part of the day?
My favorite was doing the cannonball.
Same as Ada. Aw, great minds think alike.
My favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. And as always, eat your pickles, kids. Click up here to see yesterday's video. Click up there to see more vlogs. Click up there to subscribe. And also click over there for Feeling Spicy. Also check out our YouNow, Musical.ly, and Instagram. You can always find us under SmellyBellyTV. As always, eat your pickles.